Little Bit, The Sound of Short I. Look, she has her chef hat on and her apron. And look, she has her ladle here, a rolling pin. She's baking. She's got some nice sweets there, a nice bread. I can cook a little bit. Look. Looks like she's baking with her dad. He's got flour. He has flour on his face. And she's sprinkling the flour on something. I can make a home run hit. Look at that. He is ready to swing that bat and hit that ball right there. I can learn to kick. Oh, look. What's she playing when you can only kick it with your foot? You're right. Soccer. I can hear a clock go tick. Little hands on the 10, long hands on the 2. So it's 10 minutes after 10. 5:10. I can wear a wig. Look at that. That is so cute. I can help my sister dig. Oh, look. She has a big shovel. Down here's the plants. She's digging around and she's loosening the dirt. So the plant's going to grow big and strong. I like this fence back here. It's nice to be outside and play. I can run up a hill. Look at that, it's running. But look down here. Oh, she must have her flip-flops on because it can't sit on the other foot. I can sit on a windowsill. Get that? She's really enjoying that. She looks like she has her iPad or tablet she's looking at. I can dress like a king. Wow, isn't that something? Look at his crown and his robe and his sword. I can learn to sing. Look. Looks like she's really enjoying singing. And our word list is bit, dig, hill, hit, kick, king, little, sill, sing, sister, sit, tick, wig, window. The letter, the short sound of I. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.